an island paradise where the dodo bird, a flightless wonder, once roamed free when humans landed on Mauritius in the late 1500s. Everything changed. Settlers brought invasive animals like pigs, rats, and monkeys, which devoured dodo eggs and destroyed their habitat. The dodo, unafraid of humans, fell victim to hunting and ecological upheaval. Within just decades, this unique bird vanished forever. The extinction of the dodo is a stark reminder of how human actions can disrupt delicate island ecosystems, forever altering the course of natural history.